Hello, my name is Dave. Today I'll show you how knowledge in a box works like and how at DBI we can Google enterprise knowledge with ABIS. So what you see here is basically the knowledge inside of a box. We're looking at almost 70,000 different work items and that are in a huge project. The great struggle is about project management to understand in a reporting the quality of data inside of Azure DevOps, but also stuff like, for example, what is the current status of a project? How many other subtasks are inside of this project? How complex is it? Are there any roadblocks? So everything that you need to know accordingly to run your business is inside of project management tool like Azure DevOps in this case, or Jira, or whatever project management tool you have, Asana. And all of this is very difficult to handle and to basically oversight. So a lot of organizations, they create reports for this analysis and they sit in front of it with Fabric and they say, okay, we have this great tool, we have this great technology, but the data is super messy. Copilot cannot help us with analyzing it. What we gotta do. So we came up with DBI with a solution that we basically enable the knowledge to be structured in a way that companies can start migrating and fixing data quality issues on a large scale. Just recently I was at a conference at BI Minds and I was asked, okay Dave, very cool what you guys provide. Is it possible to basically also find patterns in the data? Like, for example, I have thousands of reports and multiple calculations that basically mean the same stuff, but they name differently. Reports may be not used, or maybe same reports appear in different departments that we could put together. And yeah, basically we have that solution in hand. We can basically scan the whole stuff, like millions of rows of data can be represented in this tool, and you can find patterns. And I will basically show you now on a quick example how this works. Okay, so hey Carl, thanks for joining. I just explained how we basically can Google enterprise knowledge, identifying clusters and bad data quality. So what I can do is basically I will just create a workspace that can take any kinds of CSV file. Okay, so what we are looking at is basically this whole model, how it's going to cluster itself at the moment. So what you see, it looks very organic, I would say. It looks like knowledge in a box. So I'm interested. So a customer account goes to a site, to a physical location, and he orders some stuff, goes home, it's installed in his room. Okay, interesting. Customer account owns one or more sites, properties. Okay, interesting. With over 12,000 devices. Okay, now it's looking for trash data in this business model, which is very well described. Very interesting. Wow. Okay, trash node 4,500. Okay, nice. So next we can basically run a full cluster analysis. Customer profile, smart device fleet, service support, user engagement, maintenance fleet, device adoption rate. So it's proposing me what report I can create for which stakeholders. All right. So now we create a clean Excel file for Power BI reporting. And then basically I can just open a blank Power BI workspace and migrate that. So you can also imagine letting this machine write SQL queries on Databricks when this data comes from different database systems that are flat, hard to analyze. Oh my god. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, wow. Get a full report of measures that could benefit for certain domains. So it's not far away to bring this into Power BI. All right, interesting. This is something that I can use definitely to kickstart conversation in my team. Okay, let's talk with this data further. Let's see if it can find some interesting anomalies and drivers for enhancing my profit. Okay. Wow, it's really amazing. This is the new world of working. Oh my god, spooky. Found some interesting pattern in my data. Okay, what happened there? Sentiment range went up. I guess we're back in the 70s with this lava lampe stuff. Oh, this reminds me of the old James Bond movies. With the old techniques. Nice cars, beautiful women. Hey, can I say that? I guess I can. I don't give a shit. Installer partners, market opportunities. Oh wow, interesting. Cool. Oh, all right. That's really good. Thank you. Honest answer, no padding. Okay, let's see. I mean, I didn't force it to say it, what he will say now. Hopefully it will be good for me or us. Let's see. Wow, okay. Data profiling, trash node identification, connected component analysis, accumulated mess. True. Companies that will succeed are the ones that treat the knowledge graph as a living operational asset maintained by the business, not a one-time IT project. Honest, I get it. The ones that will fail are those who dump the current dirty data into graph and expect AI to clean it. Yeah, garbage in, confidentially stated garbage out. Every AI use case has data quality floor below which is produced more harm than value. True, nobody sells the hard work of fixing the upstream data. That's where the money gets lost. In our session we saw it directly. 4,500 trash nodes, 5 source systems with no unified customer ID, a single generic edge type, blah blah blah. Okay. Will AI replace the consultants or analysts? The tasks that AI replaces first are the ones who spend the most of this session doing. Data profiling, structural analysis, KPI definition, standard reporting design, Excel production, text writing, templates. The tasks AI cannot replace are judgment under ambiguity, trust-based client relationships, novel problems, framing in ethical terms. Okay, master data management, MDM. It's still a huge mess. I would say 2028, and the earliest for early adopters, 2031. Wow, we are way ahead of our time. Interesting. Yeah, but I mean, there's still a lot of MDM issues. Master data. So we are already here. Wave 2 and Wave 3, 2026 to 2030. Yes, we are ahead of our time schedule. Knowledge graphs 2024, 2025, 26. So we are just at the beginning, which is perfect. Good. Well, if there's nothing else, then thank you very much. I will upload the latest versions online, and I wish you a pleasant day.